You're watching Wonder Frame.
Have you ever felt really happy and calm under a big leafy tree? Japan has a secret word for exactly that feeling, and knowing it could change how you feel every single day. The word is Shinrin-yoku. Say it with me. Shinrin-yoku. It means forest bath in Japanese. But wait, before you grab a rubber duck, there is no water involved. No soap, no swimsuit needed. A forest bath means soaking in the forest with your senses, your eyes, your ears, your nose, your skin. And here's the most surprising part. You don't have to run, climb, or even hike. The magic works just by being still.
How can doing nothing make your body healthier? That answer is far stranger and more amazing than you think. In 1982, the Japanese government gave this peaceful practice its official name, Shinrin-yoku. Japan was worried. People were working too hard, feeling too stressed, and getting sick. They needed a solution. Their answer was not a new medicine. Their answer was the forest, and the science behind it will blow your mind. Let's start at the very beginning. Imagine you step onto a soft forest path. What happens inside your body first? Your super senses switch on. You hear birds singing, you feel a cool, gentle breeze on your face. You smell the earthy, woody scent rising from the soil and bark. Your brain loves this. It starts to calm right down. Your brain stops worrying about homework or what is for lunch. It simply pays attention to right now, this moment, this tree. But something even more incredible is happening that your eyes cannot see. The trees are talking. Trees release tiny invisible chemicals into the air called phytoncides. That means nature's protective signals. Trees make phytoncides to protect themselves from bugs and germs. It is like their own invisible superpower shield. And here's the amazing part. When you breathe in that forest air, you breathe in those phytoncides too. And once they are inside you, something extraordinary happens in your blood. Your body makes more superheroes. Scientists call them natural killer cells, NK cells for short. Think of them as tiny warriors inside your blood. NK cells are a type of white blood cell. Their job is to find germs and bad cells and stop them from making you sick. A scientist named Dr. King Lee discovered something that surprised everyone in his field. After just 3 days in the forest, the number of those superhero NK cells in people's bodies jumped by 50%. 50%! That means your body's tiny warrior army nearly doubled just from being in the woods.
And the boost kept going even after the forest trip ended. Those extra warriors stayed active for more than 7 days. Think about that. One forest weekend and your body stays stronger for an entire week afterward. That is incredible. But the forest does not just help your body fight germs. It also helps your body calm down from stress. Your body has a stress chemical called cortisol. When you feel scared or worried, cortisol shoots up. Too much cortisol for too long makes your body feel worn out, grumpy, and tired. Sound familiar? Professor Yoshifumi Miyazaki at Chiba University spent decades figuring out what forests do to that cortisol level.
He found that spending time in a forest lowered cortisol by an average of 12.4%. The stress just melted. Your heartbeat even slows down in a forest, 5 to 7% calmer than if you were walking in a city. Your body actually switches into a different mode. Scientists call it rest and digest. It means your body finally gets to relax. Think of your body like a musical instrument. School, screens, and busyness can knock it out of tune. The forest is like a tuning fork. The gentle sounds and smells bring your mind and body back into perfect harmony. Even your sleep gets better after time in the forest. Your body rests more deeply and you wake up feeling refreshed. Now here is where it gets really wild. Pause for a second and guess. Do you need to be in a giant forest for this to work? Drop your answer in the comments right now. Giant forest or tiny park? Let us see what you think. The answer might surprise you. A city park with trees works too. Researchers confirmed it counts as a forest bath. In fact, a 2019 study found that just 20 to 30 minutes sitting in nature was enough to lower stress levels significantly. Think of it as a nature vitamin. Just like a vitamin helps your body stay healthy, a dose of nature helps your mind stay happy. Now here is one of the most jaw-dropping discoveries in all of forest science. Are you ready for this? Scientists vaporized the scent of cypress trees inside a hotel room. No forest, just the smell. And people inside that room still showed an increase in their NK superhero cells just from breathing the forest scent. Your nose is connected to your body's health in a way that scientists are still discovering. That is incredibly cool. Now, let us talk about your brain. Two scientists named Rachel and Stephen Kaplan had a big idea called attention restoration theory. They discovered that your ability to focus gets tired, just like your legs get tired after a long run. But soft, gentle things like rustling leaves and butterflies let your tired focus rest without switching off completely. The Kaplans called this soft fascination. It is like a gentle charging cable for your brain. Nature plugs you back in. Here's an amazing reason why this all works. Professor Miyazaki found something extraordinary about human history. For more than 99.99% of all human history, your ancestors lived outside in nature, in forests, under open skies. Cities are brand new. Your body was built for forests, so when you step into nature, your body thinks, home sweet home. Your brain is not broken when you feel restless indoors. It is simply looking for the nature it was designed for. Today, there are over 62 official Shinrin-yoku forests in Japan. People visit them the way they visit doctors. And the practice is spreading all over the world. People everywhere are learning the forest's secret name for feeling happy. So how can you try Shinrin-yoku today, right now? You do not have to travel to Japan. Here is how. First, try the slow-mo walk. Next time you are in a park, walk at half your normal speed. What new things do you notice? Second, become a sense detective. Use your eyes and look for every different shade of green you can find. Close your eyes and listen. How many different sounds can you count? Birds, wind, insects, water? Try it right now. Take a deep breath through your nose. What does the air smell like? Earthy? Woody? Sweet? Your nose is learning the forest. Gently touch a piece of bark or a soft patch of moss. Feel how different they are. That roughness, that softness, that is the forest talking. Third, try the sit spot challenge. Find a safe, comfortable spot under a tree. Sit for 5 whole minutes. Just watch. You do not have to do anything. You do not have to perform or produce or win. Just be. The forest will do the rest. And anywhere, anytime, you can use the forest breath. Breathe in slowly like you are smelling the most beautiful flower. Then breathe out slowly like you are blowing out a single birthday candle. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Again, this breath works even at your school desk because your body remembers the forest even when you cannot see it. Before we finish, let us lock in the 3 big things you just learned so you never forget them. Number 1, trees release invisible phytoncides that boost your body's NK superhero cells by up to 50%. Number 2, just 20 to 30 minutes in nature lowers your stress chemical cortisol and calms your heartbeat. Number 3, your body was made for nature. Being in a park or forest is not lazy. It is exactly what your brain needs. Now think back to the beginning. You felt happy and calm under that big leafy tree. You wondered why. Now you know. That feeling has a name, Shinrin-yoku, and it is not magic. It is science. Beautiful, wonderful science. The forest has always been your quiet friend, and now you know its secret name. You can visit it anytime you need to feel happy. If you loved learning something amazing today, go watch our video called Why You Can't Live Without Sleep, The Surprising Reason. And subscribe so the next incredible secret of nature finds its way straight to you. See you in the forest.
If you learned something new, a like really helps us. And subscribe for more. See you soon.